Hey guys, Andrew King here. Welcome to my Speedlir review. In this quick video, I'm going to show you a quick overview of Speedlir. I'm also going to show you what the pricing in upsells are, how much all this costs. And on top of that, I got some really cool custom-made juicy bonuses for you guys to help you get the best out of your Speedlir purchase. Now, in a nutshell, Speedlir, it's a brand new high-tech revolutionary data conversion tech that dramatically speeds up your website and secures it. So all it does, it secures your website and it speeds it up. I know most other products that are launching these days are all about one-click software and all that good stuff, all that repetitive stuff. So they give you done for your website, done for you, blah, blah, blah. And tools like this are like missing in this industry because you need to speed up your website. Your website needs to be secure. Your website needs to be fast and snappy in order for you to rank. So this tool will ultimately help you rank your website on Google. And trust me, if you rank within the first 3 pages of Google, you're gonna get automated organic traffic, and that's why you want to consider picking up this tool. So if you are interested, then definitely stick with me during this review video. I'm gonna break down everything for you. If you want to pick up Speedlir anytime during watching this review video, just click on the first link down below in the description, and then you'll be hit with my bonus page right here. Just scroll down and click on one of these yellow buttons. Only then you'll be taken to the sales page where you can pick up your copy of Speedlir. Now you have to do that as soon as this goes live, which is on the 4th of August at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Only then these buttons will be valid and the sales page will be live where you can pick up your copy. Now you have to do that before this countdown timer hits the 0 mark, because once it does, all my bonuses will disappear and so will this bonus page, and I don't want you to miss out on my bonuses. These are exclusive to me and they are not going to be available through anybody else's link. Bear in mind that most other affiliates are going to offer you irrelevant bonuses to this product. I have compiled these bonuses and they took me a lot of time to set up, so definitely if you want to pick up Speedlir and get all my bonuses free of charge and instantly delivered to you, you have to pick it up through my bonus page. Now my first bonus is going to be a tutorial on how to set up your WordPress website. I know most of you guys that are watching this video don't have a WordPress website. That's why I'm going to show you how to set up your WordPress website from scratch. The second thing, or the second bonus I'm going to give you, is a hack on how to rank on the #1 spot of Google. Sometimes you can't rank in the #1 spot of Google, but I'm still going to show you how to rank within the first page of Google, and that is going to enable you to get tons of free traffic. Now bear in mind that you have to use Speedlir in order for you to rank, because you have to speed up your website and it has to be secure. It has to have the HTTPS mark. It has to be secure, like my bonus page right here, in order for you to rank. So excuse me, let me just refresh the bonus page. Okay, so let's continue. This is my second bonus. I'm going to show you how to rank on Google. My third bonus is going to be access to the Pinterest software that drives automatic traffic to your website. I know most other affiliates and most other gurus are telling you that you don't need a website, but I can tell you, the moment that you start using website and the moment that you have a website, you're gonna be able to drive tons of free traffic from Google search engine. You're also going to be able to drive traffic from other sources or social media sources like Pinterest. And if you want to automate this, I'm giving you this software that will drive automatic traffic to your website. All you have to do is set it up once. You set up the keywords and it will go ahead and repin other pins from bigger accounts, and all those pins will have your website link on them. So you're going to be able to drive free traffic. You're going to be able to drive anywhere from 100 up to 1,000 visitors per day just using this software. You can add multiple Pinterest accounts as well if you want to get even more traffic. The fourth bonus I'm giving you is going to be how to drive 100 up to 500 visitors a day using Instagram. This is going to use some Instagram influencers. So basically, you're going to be spending some money here, and this is an upfront investment in order for you to start driving traffic to your website. But I can tell you that this works best, and we have a couple of case studies inside of here to show you that this 100% works, and we use this on a daily basis to drive traffic to our websites. My fifth bonus is going to be access to all the vendors' bonuses. Now, unfortunately, I don't know what these bonuses are, but what I do know is that most other affiliates are going to be offering these bonuses alone. I have gone above that and gave you access to all these extra custom-made bonuses to help you get the best out of your Speedlir purchase. Now, I'm going to leave you with the demo video of Speedlir because I'm pretty sure that the product creator is going to explain this to you in details better than I do because he created the product. So I'm going to pause the video and you're going to view the demo video. Then we're going to come back. See you then.
Hi there, it's Robert, and in this demo, I will show you how easy and quick Speedlir is to use. Step number one is to add your website. Here you just enter the site URL. Here in title, I'll just use test, and your subdomain, Speedlir test. Then just click next. There you go. Step two is to verify your ownership, and you can do it either by file upload or custom page or code on the page. And after you verify, you go to step number three. So to verify, you just click the verify button, then you're done. And so to convert your page from dynamic to static, all you have to do is go to your page like this. And this is a WordPress website, a sample template. Copy the URL here as you see, then paste your copied URL here in the pages box, then click save. It'll take a little bit, but you don't have to do anything else. Just wait for the progress, a few minutes, and that's it. And as you can see, after processing is finished, Speedlir gives you two URLs. One is from the original website, and the second is your brand new, super fast, super secure, and protected Speedlir URL, which is used to show your page to your viewers. All right, let's see how it looks. Whew, that's it. Nothing more to do. Super easy, super fast, and effective.
Hey guys, welcome back. So let's take a look inside the sales page, then we'll wrap up with some pricing and upsells. Now, inside the sales page, we have some claims made here. Automatically skyrocket leads generation, sales, affiliate commissions, and Google rankings. Discover the first to market revolutionary SPR static conversion tech, which dramatically speeds up and secure your existing WordPress site cloud affiliate pages with just a few clicks. Lightning fast, built-in hosting included for converted clone of your website or affiliate page. We have the purchase button right here. We have some more info about the product. So it's an advanced DDoS attack protection. It's gonna protect your website from DDoS attack, which is really cool. We have some more info about the product. We have the demo video that I just showed you. Then if we keep scrolling, some more info and more info. I'm not gonna go through the info. You can go through it at your own time. We have the pricing at the end. So let me just go over the pricing in the upsell. Upsells, of course. The front end version is going to be the Speedlir app for $27, and we have the downsell, which is for $24, If we go here and let me just click on this button, it's gonna take you down and you can choose whether you want the personal version or the commercial version. I don't know what the difference is between the commercial version and the personal version, but basically you want to get the commercial version because you're gonna get more features, and the difference is just $3. So I'll definitely go for the higher priced version, but the difference, like I said, is only $3. You're gonna get more features. The upsell number one is gonna be the Speedlir PRO version for $47. You're gonna get 10 times the number of websites and pages plus more features. Like I said, the front end version is limited, even though if you get the commercial version, you're gonna get a limited account or the limited amount of websites that you can secure. But if you pick up the first upsell, you can secure 10 times even more websites that they allow you to secure in the front end. So this is definitely one to consider if you are if you want to sell this as a service, or if you have tons of websites in different niches, you want to go for the upsell number one. But if you have like one website, you definitely don't need it. Just go for the front end version and you are good to go. The upsell number two is going to be the Speedlir agency for $67. You're going to get unlimited websites and pages, 4 times bandwidth, and 5 sub users. So basically this is going to cost you $67. If you want to get unlimited websites and pages, don't go for the upsell number one. Go for the upsell number two directly. Once you are hit with the upsell number one, scroll down to the bottom and click on no thanks. You're going to be hit with the second upsell. Yes, you're going to pay $20 more, but you're going to get unlimited websites plus 4 times the bandwidth and 5 sub users. The upsell number three is going to be the global version, which is automatically translate page to viewer browser language for $27. So if you are running some international offers and you want, let's say someone gets from or visits your websites from Portugal, the website will automatically translate to Portuguese. So this is a really cool feature. If you want a more in-depth features, you have to get the upsell number three to get this feature. The upsell number four is going to be the traffic app for $27, which is, I don't know what the traffic app is. You can check it out at the sales page of the upsell number four. Upsell number five is going to be the traffic app pro. Basically, it's the pro version of this app for $47. Again, I don't know what this is. The traffic app agency is going to cost you $47. It's going to be the last upsell, which is the sixth one. You're going to get tons of templates plus more monthly. So this is a monthly subscription. Basically, I'm not going to recommend the upsell number 3, 4, and 5, and 6 because I don't know what they are. Basically, you don't need to translate your page even if it's for $27 unless you are running some international offers, running Google ads or something like that. You don't need the upsell number 3, 4, 5, 6. You can check them out at the sales page. I don't know what these are, but basically I don't think you need them personally. You're gonna need the front end version, like I said, the upsell number 1 if you want 10 times the websites, but don't go for the upsell number 1, go for the upsell number 2. I know it's $67, but if you pay for this plus this, it's gonna cost you more than $100. So definitely skip the upsell number 1, go for the upsell number 2 if you want unlimited websites. Plus you're gonna get all my bonuses free of charge if you just purchase the front end, whether the personal version or the commercial version. You're gonna get all my bonuses for free. How to claim my bonuses? All you have to do is go to your Warrior Plus dashboard, and then you want to go to your username right here on the top right hand side and click on purchase history. Now once you do that, you're going to be taken to your purchases. You want to go and look for your purchase receipt for Speedlir. So let's say this is my purchase receipt for Speedlir, And then you're going to be able to access Speedlir and also access all my bonuses via clicking the blue button. So definitely don't forget to claim my bonuses because they're going to help you to rank even more and to leverage this Speedlir software even further. So this was my review. If you have any questions, if you have any suggestions, I don't know, if you have anything that on your mind right now, write it on the comments down below. I will respond as soon as I see it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.